Hi, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the previous videos, we have discussed the 10th standard science passing package, which includes chemistry, biology, and physics, with 75 questions. So, we'll continue with the further questions now. So, question number 75. Why POP is kept in moisture proof container? So, we have discussed it in the previous video. This is the last questions, what we have discussed in the previous. So, we'll continue with the next. What is meant by water of crystallization? What is meant by water of crystallization? Answer is the number of water molecules present around 1 unit formula of a salt. So the number of water molecules present around 1 unit formula of a salt. Example, sodium carbonate decahydrate. So this is a salt. In this salt, 1 unit formula of salt, the number of water molecules present is nothing but water of crystallization. So sodium carbonate decahydrate, copper sulfate pentahydrate, iron sulfate heptahydrate, calcium sulfate dihydrate or bihydrate. Okay, so this is water of crystallization. So the next question, write the functions of salivary amylase. So we'll see what are the functions of salivary amylase. It keeps the food moist, it kills harmful microorganisms, it converts starch into glucose. So this is the function of salivary amylase. Next question, why do herbivores have longer small intestine? So herbivorous means they feeds over the herbs. Herbs are made up of cellulose. So the cell wall of plants is made up of cellulose. So hence this cellulose is very difficult to digest. So herbivorous animals have longer small intestine. Why? Because they have longer small intestine because to digest the cellulose. So digestion of cellulose is very tough. So that's why they have longer small intestine. Next question, why do carnivores have a shorter small intestine? So why? Because carnivores feed on the flesh so that can be easily digested. So carnivores have shorter small intestine. Why? Because they are very easy to digest the meat or flesh. The next question, what are villi? Write its functions. Villi are the finger-like projections present in small intestine. So the finger-like projections present in small intestine, we call it as villi. What is the functions means? They makes the digested food to flow into the blood and they increases the area of absorption of digested food. So these are the functions of small intestines villi. The next question, what is glomerulus? A network of blood capillaries which enters into Bowman's capsules. So in the Bowman's capsule, there is a network of blood capillaries, and this blood capillaries, the network of blood capillaries which are present in the Bowman's capsule, we call it as glomerulus. So the next question, what is the need for reflex action? So what is the need for reflex action means to avoid damage to our body parts. To avoid damage to our body parts, reflex action is very essential. So we'll move with the next question. Question number 83. Which is the center for reflex action? So the center for reflex action is spinal cord. Why do food chain consists of only 3 or 4 steps? Next question. So why do food chains consist of only 3 or 4 steps means? Because only 10% of energy is available for the next level of consumers. So for every level, only the 10 percentage of energy will be moved. So that's why, because only 10% of energy is available for next level consumers. So the food chain consists of only 3 or 4 steps. So the next question, what happens if we kill all the organisms in trophic level? So when you kill all the organisms in the trophic level, higher trophic level will not survive, because when they don't get food in the lower trophic levels, so they are not able to be survive for the higher level of organism. So that's why higher trophic level organisms will not survive. Next, what are hormones? Hormones, they are the chemicals which are secreted by the glands. So hormones means the chemicals secreted by glands, or you can also say the chemicals which help in growth, development, coordination, and help or response to the environment. So these chemicals which are secreted by the glands helps in the growth, development and coordination and response to the environment. They are called as hormones. Next question, why hormones are called chemical messengers? So hormones are called as chemical messengers because they carries the information from one part of the body to another part. So as they are in the chemical forms, they are secreted in chemical forms by the glands. They carry the information from one part of the body to another part. So hence they are called as chemical messengers. So the next question, which gland is called master gland? Why? Pituitary gland is called as master gland because it has a control over all other hormones or all other glands secretion. So hence pituitary is called as master gland. Then which gland is called mixed gland? Why? Pancreas is called mixed gland because it secretes both hormones and enzymes. Or you can say the pancreas is called as mixed gland because it contains both exocrine as well as endocrine glands. Hence it is also called as mixed heterocrine gland also. Okay. Next question. What is goiter? Goiter means it is a deficiency disorder. The deficiency disorder due to the under secretion of thyroxine hormone. The deficiency disorder due to the under secretion of thyroxine hormone is called as goiter. So it is a deficiency disease. Okay. Next, why iodized salts made compulsory in our diet? Or you can say it as why iodized salt is advisable. Why? Because thyroxine is secreted in presence of iodine. Hence, the iodized salts were advisable. The next question, how brain and spinal cord is protected? So brain is protected by the skull. So skull is nothing but cranium. So a bony case which covers the brain, it is nothing but skull, and it includes a fluid called as cerebrospinal fluid. So brain is protected by the skull and the fluid called as SPF. So cerebrospinal fluid, CSF, cerebrospinal fluid. Then spinal cord is protected by vertebral column and the same fluid, cerebrospinal fluid. So that the brain and spinal cord are protected by skull and cerebrospinal fluid. Spinal cord protected by vertebral column and cerebrospinal fluid. Next question, name 3 steps involved in urine formation. So the 3 steps involved in urine formation is glomerular filtration, tubular reabsorption, tubular secretion. The next question, define nephron. It is a structural and functional unit of kidney. So the structural and functional unit of kidney is nephron. So the next one, define lymph. Write its function. A colorless fluid similar in structure to blood is called as lymph. It carries digested fats from small intestine. It acts as a body defense. So lymph is a colorless fluid which is very similar to the blood, and it carries the digested fats from small intestine. It acts as a body defense. So the next one, how was waste removed from the plant body? So how was waste removed from the plant body? So through photosynthesis. So how was waste removed by plant body means by photosynthesis, oxygen is removed. Then by respiration, carbon dioxide is removed. Then old xylem, they help in removing the gums and resins. So the gums and resins, they are removed by old xylem part. Then the leaves also removed, the old leaves. Then through roots into the soil. So these are the different steps, how different methods, how the plants remove their waste. Next question, define 1 watt. So 1 watt is nothing but 1 joule of work done in 1 second. That is 1 W is equal to 1 J divided by 1 S. So where W for watts, J for joule, S for second. So the 1 joule of work done in 1 second is nothing but 1 watt. Next question, question number 98. Write the typical grassland food chain. So grassland food chain, it consists of grass as producer, grasshopper primary consumer, frog secondary consumer, snake tertiary consumer, eagle quaternary consumer. This is a typical grassland food chain. So the next question, differences between asexual and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction involves single parent. Sexual reproduction involves two parents. Asexual reproduction, no gametes are formed. Sexual reproduction, gametes are formed. Then asexual reproduction, the fastest mode of reproduction, and sexual mode, it is slow mode of reproduction. Under asexual reproduction, new individuals is exactly identical to the parent. With sexual reproduction, new individual is similar but not an identical. Asexual reproduction, it is found in lower plants and lower organisms. Sexual reproduction found in higher plants and animals. Okay, next, the last question, the question number 100. Write the differences between binary fission and multiple fission. So binary fission, multiple fission. Binary fission, a parent splits into two new organisms. Single parent split into two organism is binary fission. Single parent split into multiple organism is multiple fission. It takes place during favorable conditions of environment. Multiple fission takes place during unfavorable conditions of environment. Binary fission takes place in organisms like amoeba, paramecium. Multiple fission takes place in protozoans like plasmodium. So these are the differences between binary fission and multiple fission. Okay, so this completes the first passing package, which includes 100 questions. So far we have answered 100 questions successfully. So we'll continue the remaining part of the passing packages in the next video. So till then, bye bye.